Have you ever felt like you're not that bright? Everyone around you just understands things quicker than you do? What if I told you you might actually have a higher IQ than you realize, but your mind just conceals it in plain sight? Stay with me until the end, because these 10 subtle signs uncover whether your intelligence is functioning on a level most people never notice. And number 10, it's the one most prodigies share. Let's begin. 1. You talk to yourself. Sounds strange, right? Research from the University of Wisconsin discovered that people who verbalize their thoughts process information quicker and retain it longer. When you talk to yourself, you're literally guiding your own brain through complex reasoning. Einstein did it. So if you catch yourself murmuring through problems, congrats. 2. You overthink everything. You replay conversations, question choices, and imagine 50 different outcomes. That's not anxiety. It's analysis. Neuroscientists label this metacognition, the ability to think about your own thinking. 3. You get bored easily. If you can't tolerate repetitive routines, it's not because you're lazy. It's because your dopamine system seeks novelty. Highly intelligent people have a quicker reward prediction system. They receive less dopamine from simple tasks, so their brain searches for more complex challenges. 4. You doubt yourself constantly. You've heard of the Dunning-Kruger effect. It shows that the less someone knows, the more confident they become. Meanwhile, the more someone does know, the more aware they grow of what they don't. So if you often question your abilities, you actually understand far more than you realize. 5. You stay up late. Studies from the London School of Economics found that people who prefer staying up late tend to score higher on intelligence tests. Why? Because creative insights often appear when distractions fade and your brain can finally wander. 6. You're sensitive to noise. Ever get irritated by ticking clocks, loud breathing, or minor background sounds that no one else seems to notice? That's not oversensitivity. It's heightened sensory processing. Your brain absorbs more data from the environment than average, which helps you detect patterns faster, but it can also cause overstimulation. 7. You procrastinate. Psychologists at the University of Calgary discovered that many high IQ individuals use active procrastination. Your brain dislikes busy work. It waits until something matters before going all in. That's why you often perform your best at the last minute. 8. You remember random details no one else does. The exact date something occurred, a tiny fact from a documentary, or a random word someone said years ago. That's your working memory flexing. It's why you might struggle to recall where you placed your keys, but you can quote a movie from 2008 without trying. 9. You feel emotions deeply. This one surprises people. That means your ability to feel deeply, empathize, and understand others isn't weakness. It's neural sophistication. Smart people don't just think deeply, they feel deeply too. 10. You never stop learning. Here's the ultimate sign. It's the one prodigies share across history. They read, ask questions, and seek better answers even when they already know enough. So if you're listening to this right now, trying to understand yourself better, guess what? That alone places you in the top tier of intelligent minds. The takeaway: being smart isn't about grades, test scores, or how fast you can solve equations. It's about awareness, adaptability, curiosity, and depth of thought. So the next time someone calls you too sensitive, too quiet, or too lost in your head, smile. Because that's what intelligence looks like. If this opened your eyes, hit subscribe.